Happy morning, students. Today's topic, kitchen medicine. We use kitchen medicines to cure cold, cough, stomach pain and headache. In past times, kitchen medicine was a practice in every house. Our granny knew how to treat some of the ailments of the family members and manage emergencies with what was available in the kitchen. Some important kitchen medicines are garlic, asafoetida, ginger, turmeric, black pepper and cloves. Let us come to garlic. Garlic is also known as poor man's antibiotic. Okay, garlic is a staple medicine food found in nearly benefits fevers and poor digestion, and it helps the liver and gallbladder. It is also helps clear plaque from the arteries and balance or lower blood pressure. For antibiotic and antiviral effects, it is best taken raw. It is best to taken as a raw food material. It is also called poor man's antibiotic. It helps to balance blood pressure and reduces the symptoms of common cold. Next kitchen medicine is asafoetida. It improves digestion. It is a staple ingredient in Indian cooking, commonly used along with turmeric in lentil dishes like dal and variety of vegetable dishes. It improves digestion and it is used as a remedy for diarrhea and dysentery. This is a asafoetida. It improves our digestion. And next one, ginger. Ginger, it contains anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help fight cancer, but that's just the beginning. It contains anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties that can help with cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, high cholesterol and many more health issues. Okay, this is the important kitchen medicine. Another important kitchen medicine is turmeric. It helps to heal wounds. Turmeric is used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat inflammation both inside and outside. Its uses include cancer prevention and treatment, as well as treatment of arthritis and infections. It is a common anti-infectant and it helps to heal wounds. And next one, black pepper. Black pepper is a great remedy for cold and cough. As you know, black pepper is rich in micronutrients such as magnesium, vitamin K, iron and vitamin C. Due to its high vitamin C content, black pepper is a very effective antibiotic. It is a great remedy for cold and cough. And next one, people inhale black pepper oil to prevent falls to help quit smoking. Cloves. It helps to relieve toothache. Cloves can be used in cooking either whole or in a ground form, but as they are extremely strong and they are used sparingly. Okay, this is a clove. Cloves promote enzymatic flow and boost digestive functioning. It is used for gastric irritability. It is also helps to relieve toothache. And next students, now let us see some of simple scientific inventions. Okay, measuring temperature of water and milk using thermometer. Okay, see thermometer. See students, this is a digital thermometer. Now I am going to switch on this device. Okay, and I am going to put it in my armpit. Thermometer, it is an instrument used for measuring body temperature. An instrument for measuring and indicating temperature, typically one consisting of a narrow, hermetically sealed glass tube marked with graduations and this is marked with graduations and having at one end a bulb and containing mercury. Okay, and one end it containing bulb and it containing mercury here, or else alcohol. Sometimes it filled with alcohol with extends along the tube as it expands. Okay, a thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. It can measure the temperature of a solid, example food, and liquid, example water, or gas, example air. Daniel Fahrenheit, German physicist, invented mercury thermometer in 1740. It is used to measure our body temperature. Normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or else 98.6 Fahrenheit. So see students, I am going to relieve this thermometer. So can you able to hear the sound? Yes. So see students, my body temperature is around 36.7 degrees Celsius. 36.7 degrees Celsius. This is a digital thermometer. Okay. And next one, let us recall today's portion. We use kitchen medicines to cure cold, cough and stomach pain and headache. Some of the kitchen medicines are garlic, asafoetida, ginger, turmeric, black pepper and cloves. Garlic is a poor man's antibiotic. Asafoetida, it improves digestion. Ginger, it contains anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, it helps to heal wounds. Black pepper, it is a great remedy for cold and cough. Cloves, it helps to relieve toothache. Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring body temperature. It was Daniel Fahrenheit invented the mercury thermometer in 1714. The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Thank you students.